Wow, last minute, what happened? KLCI went shoot up straight away. I'll show you the chart. This some big manipulation in the market. I'll show you what happened. Okay, so KLCI at last minute, okay, went up above 1,005, went up to 17 points. Okay, later we talk about it. Remember, subscribe, like, share and comment. Okay, don't forget to pump up the like for me. Pump up the like for me. Okay, the English channel has been gaining speed very fast. You know, now it's catching the Chinese channel, Chinese version. Okay, so thank you everyone for your sharing, for your caring, sharing, comments. You know, keep on sharing, keep on caring. Okay, so let's check out the global market first. So KLCI big rebound, 17 points. Okay, later we talk about this. Let's check out the market first. Let's check out the international first. International market, see what is going on. Okay, so KLCI suddenly confident boost 1502, went above 1,005, 17 points. Okay, how do we get to the 17 points later? I show you. 1.17%, quite a lot. Quite a lot. So coming from next tomorrow election, so market suddenly institution very confident, suddenly shoot, okay, suddenly open shot, so you know confidence level straight away. Singapore went up 0.282. Don't forget share my channel with your friends, okay, your Kopi, teh tarik, Nescafe friend, Kopi tarik friend, teh tarik friend, gaming friend, what they call it, Minecraft friend. Do you guys play Minecraft? I think for children, right? Okay, Hang Seng up 1.2, down 1.2. So all markets still down because US down yesterday. US are roller coaster. After the FOMC go up, then come back down. Okay, looks like now coming down more than how going up. So market a bit still a lot of fear. South Korea dropped 0.3, Japan up 0.3. Japan up 0.1, down 0.79, Thailand down 0.29, Philippines up 0.89, China, FTSE dropped 1.7, SSE dropped 1.16, SSE dropped 1.6, so big drop. Australia up 0.114, Indonesia up 0.1, New Zealand dropped 0.4, Taiwan up 0.1, India dropped 1.5, so all dropped. Looks like it's dropping following US. Look at UK, FTSE dropped 0.05, Teck also dropped 0.6. Look at US Dow Jones dropped 0.083, NYSE up a bit 0.2, S&P dropped 0.8, Nasdaq dropped 2.4, Nasdaq big drop. So palm oil expected, you see, now we can see the palm oil chart, right? So this one expected palm oil drop below 5,000 already, 4,033. Brent oil 73, the 92, crude oil 71, 22. Go now gaining momentum. Now suddenly looks like risk off already. That day we look at looks like risk on, market going, the investor going for the high risk investment, right, in the stock market. Now suddenly gold went up. Okay, so now looks like it's going risk off. When gold goes up, right, it's risk off, means stock market. Those investor think that the market is dangerous, so they take their money, put it into the safe haven asset. Safe haven asset is gold, Japanese yen, USD all those things, which is not as volatile Okay, so gold and silver didn't go up gold will go up a bit Okay, silver go up slightly Okay, so let's look at KLCI. What I want you to see is this. It's not here later I show you. Okay, so yesterday pin bar looks like it want to go down okay, but anything can happen so suddenly one big push up goes above 1,005 you see, almost RSI almost go to 50 already. Once you go through 50, I think got chance for a longer term rebound. We can play some can play some once it goes through this one okay, 1,005 already confident already. Once you go through this one, this trend line, right, this channel, right, means it really got short term, maybe got a push up. Okay, maybe got a push up before completing the head and shoulder, the double top. Okay, but I said, this pattern, right, it's not 100%, maybe 70% power, it's not 100% one. Okay, so if it managed to break through 1525, maybe it still can go out earlier, but I hardly think so, but never mind. Don't look too far, we look here first, okay? Focus here first. Now, if it breaks through, maybe we can play some, okay? If it breaks above 1005, means next week it still can stay above 1005 and break out from this channel, right? Means it got some a small window to play. Means it got a small window to play. Okay, small window to play towards 1525 probably. Okay, so I want to show you this. This one very important. Look at that. What happened? Look at what happened. Look at what happened. Where is 1005? Here, you know. Here is what after pre-closing. You see now, right? At 16,445, right? It's still 1488. Okay, it's 1488. Okay, after closing, okay, after pre-closing 450, right? 1501, 1502, one big spike up. 0.87% up. Look at that. 0.89%. Boom, just like that. So this one definitely this one is not, this one you know lah, this one is not who play lah, it's not retailer play one this one is institution play lah. Okay, so market want to be confident tomorrow going into the Sabah election so I'm not sure which part make this sudden gain. Maybe from here we can see okay, maybe from here we can see. Okay, let's check out so this one looks good next week it can hold above, right? If can hold above, look like we got a short term play here. If it can hold above 1005, maybe got a short term play here towards let me see which sector actually went up. Let us see our history. We got history now. We can see this afternoon one. Okay, healthcare is up a bit. So suddenly why? Utility pump up, healthcare pump up, plantation pump up, industrial pump. Okay, so all these pump suddenly okay, let me see yeah, industry pump, plantation pump, healthcare pump a bit. Healthcare pump, utilities pump, all these you know whose work you know whose work is all these okay. So suddenly all these pump from our afternoon okay, last minute okay so better than nothing okay. Okay, sentiment suddenly went to 45. Morning sentiment was here, so we can see a lot of things 43. Okay, morning sentiment is 43. Okay, gainers is 425, losers are 434. See, losers is still higher than gainers, but we suddenly got a pump of 17 points. 2.811 transaction volume is expected during this type of days. Okay, so consumer up 0.21, industrial up 1.06, construction also up 0.74, technology drop 1.02, Nasdaq big drop expected Nasdaq big drop. Finance also up 0.4, property up 0.44, plantation up 1.1 suddenly, RET up 0.23, energy drop expected 1.16, healthcare suddenly look like got got chance to reverse, but don't simply pay this one or highly manipulated one. You see it go up few days, you feel like wow, it's gonna go up again, you jump in, you're gonna get caught again. This one, tomorrow we see the big picture first. Tomorrow, Saturday, we're going to see the every sector by sector. We're going to see the global index. We're going to see the oil index, palm oil index. These are aluminum index, steel index, all these, and the US indexes. So we want to check out the global market. We see the global sector first. How is it going? Then only we look at the micro. Okay. So remember, share this with your friend. Don't forget. Share this. Share my channel. Okay. So transportation 0.73 also pump up last minute. Utilities last minute pump up. Utilities afternoon was how many? Utility 0.5 okay, so suddenly pump until 1.07. Okay, so looks like next week got something to play lah. Next week got something to play. So Facebook, don't forget check out my video my Forex video okay. Don't forget, if you are keen trading Forex, you want to know this one more about chart pattern, more about candlestick pattern, okay? Where else more about candlestick pattern, more about support resistance level, where else BURSA fundamental plus fundamental, a lot of fundamental thing, also plus this one, the chart pattern. Most is pattern, okay, chart pattern. This one is most is candlestick pattern, okay? It means you see the candlestick more than the chart pattern. Because this one more aggressive, we are more aggressive in this trading Forex, okay, than this stock market. Stock market, our setup is for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, right? Where else this one is for 1 day, 2 day only we play. Our every setup is for 2 days, 3 days. We're gonna close the trade one. Where else stock market, maybe some of our trade 2 week, 2 month, after 2 months only TP, right? Okay, so it's different. The approach is different. That's why this one we study candlestick instead of the chart pattern. Okay, because chart pattern for this Forex is too slow a bit too slow. Not to say not too slow. See, depend on what type of investor you are chart pattern you can use, but you use the for weekly. What do you call it? Day trader you can use chart pattern. Means 4 hours to 1 hours, 15 minutes. You can use both chart pattern and candlestick. Well, else if you are reading the daily candle, right? Daily, you are trading the daily candle like me. I only spend 1 hour a day only on this one, on the Forex. Okay, after 1 hour, I just set up my setup. Okay, either it run my setup or it didn't run my setup. That's it. So then I will do all my other thing. That's why I got time to look at stock market, all the other thing do video Actually, I spend 1 hour only in the Forex morning. Study, set up my chart. When it trigger, then I will go in. Set up, I will go in, execute, that's it. That's a whole day. That's my whole day. If I don't do stock market, all these things, right? I only work 1 hour only a day. Not work spend 1 hour on the computer only a day, then nothing else to do. For a year. You cannot believe if you only do 1 hour a day and for whole year you only work, let's say you do something only 1 hour a day, and you have nothing else to do for the whole year, you go crazy. You go crazy. That's why I have to find something to do. You go crazy really. You watch YouTube only, right? All the YouTube video you didn't finish watching already. All the YouTube video you scroll all the YouTube video you finish watch. No more. Okay, let's go back to the go back to our stock market. Okay, you guys want to open account, remember go to CGS-CIMB account, use the platform. Okay, you can click the form here in my Facebook to register. Okay, let me see here. Today I talk about this one, EPMB. EPMB go up again. You haven't take profit, this is the time to take profit. Second time opportunity. Pet gas break out already. Looks like got chance to go up. Pet gas, if you are playing pet gas. Huatai, I said Huatai got chance to run, right? Okay, so this few only today. Okay, so don't forget, check out my Forex video, and don't forget like and share. Okay, want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com, ko-fi.com, trading with KS, buy me coffee. So a lot of you guys bought me coffee. I haven't actually posted the thank you note yet. Okay, give me 1-2 days. Okay, I will now a bit busy with the crypto thing. So this one goes. Also Ekovest International EWINT slip into red 4Q. So 4Q they make losses. Last year 4Q they make 17.41 million. Profit this year 56 million. Losses. Also let me see. Revenue also dropped from 57 million to 34 million. So bad for them. EWINT. Check out EWINT. Today shocker. Look at the KLCI shocker today. So even is just dropping lah, nothing much to talk about lah. Continue to drop. I think it will drop some more lah. So this one don't play lah until it can see some breakout lah. Maybe this is a channel that you need to break out of here. So this temporarily I don't see anything even. If you want to close the account, I mean if you want to close the trade, or if you haven't make any losses, no profit, then maybe you can close first, wait for it to do a good rebound first. I think it will continue to drop. Now it's at the bottom channel lah. Hopefully it don't drop anymore lah. Now got some support. If it drop below this bottom channel, means it want to go some more. Okay, this one 0.04, 0.405. If it drop below 0.405, hopefully it don't. Okay, means it got supported by the bottom channel. Can it rebound yet? Judging from this kind of losses, I don't think so fast it can rebound. Okay, so Lion Industry buy reduced iron plant and bunding, a plant that already closed down. So they buy over. Looks like they want to expand business. So take a quick look at Lion Industry. See whether anything. Now they want to still, I said still want to keep an eye on steel. I'm not saying it will rebound, but want to keep an eye on steel. Looks like got something on still. Let's see the steel, right? Still holding here. The steel index is still not rebounding. Still holding at just right above the channel, so not very strong yet. Okay, so Lion Industry already goring that day. Selling the Antara, right? Still to Singapore, now coming back down. Now nothing to play. Okay, nothing to play. Anything you want to play, at least it must go through here first. It must go through 0.65 first. Intabena backs 63 million construction contract from government. Not bad 63 million Inta for them. Hey, watch this. Construction. So nowadays, I will slowly study their P&L. Now, you see the code over here, right? 0192, right? This is a stock code, right? I also put in this one, financial year 2021 week means after I take a look at their fundamental, if I put their week means they are not very strong this year, the fundamental. Now you can see slowly I will put in my study, means I look at the fundamental, I think this company is strong, then I will put here their fundamental strong. Okay, strong or weak. When you see weak means it's weak Okay, so now I will slowly add. So every stock I study, after I study the fundamental, I will put here. This is not professional advice, but at least as a reference, then next time we look at this stock, we know, okay, their financial, this financial report is good or not good. So you know financial year now we see this one is not very good Not say they're losing money, only that it's not so very big, means it's not like keep on going up means maybe it's losing, maybe it's dropping, or maybe it's not making money, these type of things Okay, so now you see this one Interbank financial big so that's why it's losing, it's dropping If I don't write this right, okay, if I don't write this right, you look at the chart, you already know one. As I said, chart can show the sentiment, but never mind, we do more homework, at least we know more. Now we can tally here and here. Here and here now we can tally You see now tally, right? Check and balance Now it's check and balance, right? Check and balance So correct, right? You see, right? The correct. Okay. Now we got a correct fundamental and a correct chart. Okay. I'm not saying that fundamental weak it will not rebound. It still can rebound Okay. So at least when you want to invest, at least you know you get ready that this is not a very fundamental strong stock. Maybe we don't hold so fast. We make money, touch and go, make money already, okay, hit target, we run already. Don't need to keep long time If fundamental good, I said fundamental good, maybe you can keep long time So that's the thing that you want to see Okay, so this one, right, nothing so far we don't see anything. If we can break out from here, maybe we got something to talk about break up above this one, 0.3 okay, now it's 0.27 If we can go through 0.3, then maybe got something on Okay, so we added some more value here. Okay, so don't forget like, share, and subscribe So Haptech earning 9-fold up 7.171 million in Q1 from 6.9 million so the steel price really helped them Revenue also jump up from 231 million to 406 million Okay, so as I said, starting we see this steel story starting to come out Haptech, Lion Industry buy new factory. This one also Haptech also starting to make money. So slowly we are looking at we want to keep an eye I'm not saying that it will straight away pump up, but want to keep an eye on it. Last week we already talked about it really. So slowly we are seeing this this story coming out about this steel. You see Haptech rebound already. As I said, Haptech is not at the place for you to buy yet probably not buy yet. If you can run first. Okay, I think a lot of you guys maybe you got bought over here, right, at the rebound over here. Maybe you didn't, I said I put the stop loss over here, maybe you didn't cut loss, right? The stop loss is here, right? 0.454, right? Hold above 0.545, you didn't cut loss. Now it's coming back for you to cut loss first, to escape first. Okay, wait for the next wave up, wait for it to go make higher high. Now it haven't made higher high yet. Wait for it to make higher high. Okay, let's go above 0.545. It's staying above 0.545. Okay, RSI stable, staying above 50, then only we play. Okay, so don't think that this one straight away break out here, you're gonna go up, because it's still not very strong. And the steel index also haven't justified that this is going up. So we want to align first. Okay, EPMB, EPMB, how many days? 2-3 days in front of the bank, right? Now the bank also say, right, EPMB resuming uptrend, 52-week high to breach 1.12, okay, higher high. So by towards 1.31 and 1.40, let's see our chart. Okay, so their target 1.31, targeting propel it to 1.31 and 1.40. Let's see. EPMB yesterday, EPMB how many days? We are in front of a bank. $16 yesterday. Yeah, yes. Yesterday we are 1 day in front. Actually, I talked about EPMB last week at the 9. I said, wait for the breakout. Okay, wait for the breakout. It didn't break out, so I said you still can wait for the breakout. Once the breakout, you can go in, right? So at least we are still 1 day in front of the bank, Okay, let's see EPMB, Okay, EPMB say 1.3. I put here 1.28 slightly Then 2 cents different from them. Then the second target they put is let me see. Where was it? 1.4 Okay, so I put 1.6 I put here slightly higher because I use Fibonacci Okay, so bank put here 1.4 I also mark it 1.4 just in case so for you guys to see Okay, so bank put here. Okay, bank put these two. Okay, so you check these two first. If you can go through these two, then you look at this one 1.6. 1.6 is based on Fibonacci. Okay, so Franken, also, okay, Franken RSB say going to reclaim all-time high, propel towards 4.05 and 4.5 possible. Okay, let's see Franken, see how our research and their research 4.2 and 4.59. Okay, so theirs is 4.05 here. Yeah, okay, so they put this one here actually their target here. Okay, which is this top Okay, so the next one is 4.5 4.5 correct 4.5. I put 4.59 9 cents different from them 9 cents different from them Okay, So they say once go through here 3.9, I put 3.9. They say they put 4.05. This one same lah, a few cent different lah. Okay, so the next target they put is 4.5. Okay, so I put 4.59. 4.2 also got one target lah. Okay, but very likely this one this one is more likely. But you have to watch lah. I look at Fibonacci, right? I think this 4.29 also possible. Okay, between 4.2 and once you break through this 3.9, right, and stay above 3.96, 4.2 and 4.9, 4.29 and 4.59 is the target. Okay, according to Fibonacci lah. If you know how to use Fibonacci. Okay, Kimloon. So Kimloon precast segment will benefit from MRT tender open next year. So Hong Leong Bank say they are bullish on this Kimloon and give TP 1.07 So they will benefit from this one the MRT project as I said we really listed out already the MRT one. Also look at Kimloon. So Hong Leong Bank top channel you see their research, right? Okay, it's our top channel. If it goes up like that, right, you see, right, it reach the top channel, which is Hong Leong Bank target, right? So our research is quite accurate okay, compared to the bank okay. So now it haven't dropped up below 0.79 drop below, have to run already. So it haven't really dropped out yet. Okay, so this one continue hold. If it really drop out below 0.79, okay, leave it first. Okay, out first. If you have chance wait for it to drop until lower, then come back up, then only we play again. You even got more room to play. More the window even bigger. So never mind. If it drop, we cut loss first. Now market bet, cut loss first. Even though today we see a big bull candle, doesn't mean all the stock will go up. If you see, okay, even big bull candle, the down stock is still more than the up stock. Okay, so okay, so Kimloon, Ekovest. Okay, Ekovest quarter 4 the earning drop already compared to last year but the yearly they are still way up Okay, from 42 million, 72 million drop to 42 million. Revenue because write down of the third quarter inventory. Okay, 635 million to 636 million. So revenue also went up I think one of the reason that they are saying that it dropped because the EWINT lost money, right, got affected. Okay, they got affected by EWINT lost money. That's why they are this quarter report went down. Actually they are doing very well here look at this Ekovest post record sales in financial year 2021 so they are still doing very well record year 2.88 billion. Target higher than 2.8 billion set for the year. They recorded 3.5 billion, so they are still selling a lot of houses. Okay, so the yearly posted revenue and gross profit also Malaysia has the property post revenue of okay, 46 million higher gross profit and a 91 million higher 91 million higher gross profit and a 646 million higher revenue. Okay, yeah, this one okay, jump up. Net profit for year financial 2021 went up 14%. So the whole year they are doing well. Okay, only the last quarter not doing so well because of the EWINT. Okay, let's look at Ekovest. Okay, Ekovest we really get how many percent this one? 30%, right? 30-40% right here when we play here. Remember 40%, right? We managed to get because we aim this target public bank target from here the breakout over here, right? This one we got 80% or 40%. Of course here we don't chase anymore. If we chase, so you get more So it went back down. Now there's nothing to play wait for it to rebound So the yearly report already came out already. So there's no more anticipation that maybe wait for next year first quarter, second quarter, then only rebound because this year already finished already the financial report. So wait for next year one. So this one I think will not move lah. Because this one pump up because of anticipation of record sales, right? Okay. So this one no more already now coming back down. Wait for next year lah. I don't think it will move so fast. Okay. This is my take. Kimloon Ekovest. So Teleworks Corporation earning forecast went up and it got 602 million contract won from pengurusan Ais Selangor. Okay, so good for them. So they also give a buy call now. This one a lot of call. Hong Leong give buy call 98 cent. And who else? Affin also got give. Affin with Affin also here. Affin also give buy call 95 cent. Okay, let's look at Teleworks. Where's Teleworks? Okay, Teleworks is very volatile lah, touch and go lah. Teleworks is like, look at the chart a bit scary lah. Suddenly went up high, suddenly come back down, suddenly went up high. Although it's in a channel, but it's very volatile channel. This one, Affin give here, Hong Leong give, Hong Leong here, maybe then the channel I think it's adjust a bit. I think now the channel adjust like that. Now almost the correct. So this one, right? If I want to play, right, I want it to go down lower, then only I will buy. Go down lower, maybe around this one, 0.82. Or if it has a drop, right? You see, even today news come out, right? It still drop, I will probably want to play this, right? I will buy the cheap, safer lah. You buy high, you see, suddenly it can drop like this. Suddenly it can drop like this. Very volatile. The lowest at near the bottom channel, right? You draw a line connect here and here, right? So the lower between here, the better you can get the cheaper price. Because this one, right? It go up, it cannot maintain one. You see, every time it go up to the top channel, it will straight away quickly fall down. Or maybe this one you want to play this one, wait for lower good discount price and only go in. This is how I would play lah. This stock. BS miss earning. So they lower this sell call bank now. Bank give sell call to 98 cent only. Okay. So let's look at this one, VS. Affin give 98 cent. M Invest give 161. So M Invest still got still see some opportunity here. Affin give 0.98. So in between. So this is a bit difficult to play lah. Bank also cannot agree with the outlook So this one a bit difficult Still yo-yo around here Better don't play Slumping. This one say the glove stock drag down the entire Malaysia equity market This one, when they are doing well, everybody clap. When they are doing bad they are not doing well, everybody step on them. Salcon secure 19.70 million silverage contract So Salcon got not bad, got contract. It's a government contract. I think it's a government contract. Oh no. Yeah, Sekambut. Oh, JK Central Park. Oh, it's not government. Oh, it's JKG Central Park. Sekambut Central Park. It's not government one. Okay. So look at Salcon. Salcon is what company? I think it's here. Salcon, right? P&L 2021 is quite strong, I think Salcon got something on. Something can play Salcon. Play a little bit maybe can. I don't like this stock personally. I don't like I don't like this stock You know which stock I like You already know Those stock that I like I already tell you guys which stock I like Especially telecom, especially the technology stock. Which stock I like, Okay, this stock I don't really like, but this year, right? Fundamental not bad, Okay, it's going. You can see it's going up So this one maybe got something on If it can stay above 0.24, maybe can play a bit Maybe can play a bit I'm not very confident this one, but Salcon, I think this year they are doing quite well. The fundamental is doing quite well. They really break out already, but volume not so much volume, but still got some volume. You see Before breakout, very small volume. Right now, volume starting to go up already. I think this one can play a little bit lah. Play a little bit, can try this one. Salcon. So oil price head for weekly loss on Omicron coronavirus uncertainty lah. So not very good lah. The oil today. So Supermax want to invest in US to build a 350 million US dollar phase 1 manufacturing plant in US lah. So they want to grow in US. Okay, so let's see how their stock doing. Hatta. Sorry, not Hatta. Supermax. Supermax, not Hatta. Supermax, Supermax got banned. Oh, Supermax got banned by US. Now that's why they want to open the plant direct in US. Oh, I see. I see this strategy. Oh, I see. Okay. So they still want the US market. They still want the US market. Looks like. Oh, so the big picture is this actually, Supermax. Okay, so they want the US market. So after they invest here, okay, so this one got chance already. So now going reverse going up again. So want to play or not? Bank only give all this target over here, 1.7, 1.6. If you ask me, I won't play glove. Enough of glove this year. We already make here enough already temporarily. Once wait for it to reverse, RSI stay above 50. Okay, then only we talk again. This one temporarily no. This one Hatta Supermax. Okay, other than that, I want to talk about this one. Huatai and Kopi. Huatai. Huatai, yesterday I talked about Huatai. Remember, Huatai got chance to run already. Okay, so make sure you manage to run, Well, today went back down. I said, right, you guys bought high one. Remember, today got chance to run, right? 0.68 to 0.77, right? So today went even above 0.7, go back to 0.8. Okay, so probably you already run. You didn't run today, drop back down. Can it go up again? Maybe still can go up. But if next week it drop again, means this one is for opportunity, purely for running one. As I said, this one I see it as an opportunity to run, not an opportunity to buy. So if you manage to run, then congratulations. If you haven't run, maybe next week still got one chance. Maybe still got, maybe possible we will have a pump next week. Or maybe it's starting to go up. Or maybe it really reverse. But you got chance to run first. Run first. Don't take the risk first. Okay, and Kopi. Kopi, there's something. Kopi, I want to talk about Kopi. Kopi went up very good, but now suddenly it lost momentum already. Kopi now come back to our entry price already. Entry price, we enter here 0.5.6. So around here still got support over here. If you already take profit after it break through this line, still okay. Now still got support over here. So if we can hold about 0.556, 5.6, I think still okay. If we cannot, maybe out first. You see RSI has dropped below 50. This is very concerning. So make sure next week RSI need to go back above 50. If this one go back above 50, means this one will be another push up already. If RSI cannot go back next week, cannot go back above 50, price drop below 5.996. If you're short term, if you're longer term, maybe you look at 5.32. Drop below 5.32, then maybe you run. But if you're shorter term, you want to be safe, market bet, want to be safe, 5.69 run first. Our break-even point, run first. Market bet, break-even run first. Okay, if market good, maybe you want to wait for the stop loss 5.32. Okay, so this is how I see this one. Okay, so that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. We want to see the big picture. Okay, stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.